Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on myPhone N23. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete Account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in, and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. And then click More and Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.